Today, I'll tell you in detail the lash and brow lamination technique using the BrowXenna LamiPlex system. LamiPlex is an innovative solution that combines not only shape fixation, but also full hair restoration. It's important to understand lamination is not simply a styling procedure, it's a controlled chemical process where the technique affects both the result and the health of the hairs. Your aim as a brow artist is not only to achieve beautiful curl and direction, it is also to provide your client with gentle and professional care through the procedure. Remember, clean technique, accurate diagnostics and correct time are the foundation of a perfect result. Practice, refine your speed, and every procedure will deliver predictable, high quality and professional effect. Today I'll show you how to make brow lamination using LamiPlex, and after it we will make a brow coloring. LamiPlex is an innovative system which not only fixes hairs but also repairs it. There are 3 steps here. The first step – make the hairs more flexible. The second step – fixes the direction of the hairs. P-Plex recovery moisturizes and nourishes the hairs after the procedure. The set is designed for 30 procedures. Today we analyzed in detail BrowXenna LamiPlex system.